My name's Connor Penley. I'm 21 years old. I've been working here for about 2 years now. I had a few buddies that worked here and told me about the apprenticeship program and how it all worked. I've always enjoyed working with my hands, and I thought it was a good opportunity for bettering my future.
I think apprenticeships are a great opportunity for young folks who are coming out of high school that are not sure the career path they want to take. When they graduate high school, that's the prime time to teach these guys the trade that we're involved in. And for people that like to work with their hands and like to build something and have a sense of purpose of what they're doing, the trades are a perfect match for that.
It was something that I didn't really need a college degree for. All I could do is just apply. If I get hired, I could start working. And going to school is not just going to learn, it's also a job itself. So when I'm going there, it feels a lot more meaningful and more, I guess, accomplishing, knowing that, I'm also there getting paid.
One of the things with M&L is you kind of want to have a license, start running work. Well, the apprenticeship program, now if you come out of college or out of high school and get straight into it, you're going to probably be around 24 and have the opportunity to be a superintendent at M&L. It was a big point for me. I was already married and had a family, so it allowed me to get paid, provide for my family, and learn my career path and grow there. It sets you up for success in many different areas of your life.